Hi creators, what if I told you this beautiful animated video was created using nothing but a text prompt and it's 100% free? Yup, no design skills, no animation software, just AI magic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using Google's AI Studio, and you can turn this into a content or even earn some money using that as well. Let's dive in. Alright, let's jump into the process. First, head over to Google AI Studio. You will need to log in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, look for the Video Gen tab on the left side of your screen. This is where the video generation happens. Now, in the prompt box, type your idea in plain English. Here is the prompt I used. I'll drop this in the description so you can copy and try it out. After you enter your prompt, click the run button, wait a few seconds and let the AI do its thing. And here is what the AI created. Stunning, right? Look at the soft colors, the cozy morning vibes, the cat stretching. It matches the prompt perfectly, and it took less than a minute to generate. You can experiment with different styles too. Try something cinematic, funny, or abstract. Now, how do you use these videos? Post as YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, create animations for clients, sell themed videos on platforms like Fiverr, or add them to your content for extra visual spark. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Coffee with AI for more AI powered tools, tutorials, and money making tips. And drop your best prompts ideas in the comment box. More awesome tools and tricks are coming right here on Coffee with AI. Catch you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.